stop before you spend $10,000 on a home battery backup system, or worse, before you spend another night sitting in the dark because of a power outage. You need to watch this. Imagine this. A storm hits. The whole neighborhood goes black. But your house, your lights are on. Your fridge is running. Your Wi-Fi works. And the best part, you didn't pay the electric company a single dime for that power. Hi. Today, I'm going to show you how I built a powerful DIY solar generator for a fraction of the cost of the big brands. And how you can do it too, even if you have zero electrical experience. Let's be real. Electricity bills are getting insane. Every month the price goes up. And the grid, it's unreliable. Last winter, my family was left freezing without power for 12 hours. I felt helpless. I looked into buying a Tesla Powerwall, or those fancy solar generators. The price tag? Over $10,000. Who has that kind of cash lying around just to keep the lights on? I thought solar was only for rich people or electrical engineers. I almost gave up. I was stuck paying the power company whatever they demanded. That's when I stumbled upon something interesting online. It was a guide by a guy who claimed you could build your own power wall using cheap, readily available parts, like old laptop batteries or budget cells you can buy online. At first, I was skeptical. Me, building a generator? I can barely fix a leaky faucet. But I looked at the blueprints, and I was shocked. It wasn't rocket science. It was basically connecting point A to point B. The secret is that the big energy companies sell you a fancy box. But inside that box, it's just batteries and wires. Why pay for the brand name when you can build the engine yourself? So I took a weekend and followed the guide. And guess what? It worked. I built a portable solar generator that powers my entire home office and fridge. Now, when the grid goes down, I just flip a switch. My neighbors come over to charge their phones. Plus, I'm saving hundreds of dollars a year because I store free energy from the sun during the day and use it at night. It's quiet, it's clean, and honestly, building it was kind of fun. It feels amazing to be independent. Look, I can't show you the full blueprints in this short video because of copyright, and there are some specific safety steps you need to follow. But if you want to see the exact video guide and schematics I used, the one that shows you where to get the cheap parts and how to put it all together step by step, I've put a link in the description below and pinned in the first comment. Avatar, click that link right now. Go watch the presentation before it gets taken down. Stop renting your power and start owning it. Click the link, and I'll see you on the inside.